Hey guys, this is Fernando. I'm the co-founder of Living in a Bubble, and today I'm going to show you how to install the back window cover in your full plastic. So first of all, flip it over. You get on the black side and you get the accessories that come with it. So the metal tabs, the 3M sticker at the back, and the alcohol pad. You can put the alcohol pad aside. I'm not going to use it right now. But what you got to do, you see that these metal tabs, they will stick to the magnets on the window cover. So you just gotta find them around. Use your finger, you'll notice that. Or what you can do, just go with the metal tab. Once it finds a magnet, it's just gonna stick in. Always facing the 3M side out. And then keep doing with all of them. Cool. So that's basically it to start with. This is how it should look like when it starts. Make sure you write again, and then you go and you get your alcohol pad to clean the edges of the window in order for the 3M tape to stick properly. But it's clean on the other side, so you go all around and you clean it everywhere. Once done, you go back to your cover, and then you gotta find back again the right spot, and then you start with one at the bottom. So you find the location here, you peel it off, and then you get really close to the edge here, so that's gonna be here, and then you do one at the top. So this one's gonna be right there, and then you can start going on the sides. Now that you guys lined up all the magnets properly, next time all you gotta do, just stick in, line it properly, and there you are, ready for a camping trip. Today I'm gonna show you how to install our window cover for the back door of your half plastic. So to start with, you just get the window cover and you line that properly, so making sure everything is as it should. And then once you get there, you just lift this bottom part, and then with the metal tabs provided, they come with a 3M tape at the back. You just gotta need to find where the magnets are. So once you're close to them, as you can see, just stick straight in. There's a few magnets here, you just gotta find them, right? You go like that, and once you find them, just sticks in like that, and that's it. Okay, so all the magnets are there. Once you found them, you go back here, and then you use the alcohol pad. You need to clear and clean this bottom part here where you're gonna stick the magnets. You clean this edge here very well, just to make it easier, and then your magnets will hold that on the corners here. Once you're done with the magnets, what you gotta do, you go there, you find where is the space for the magnet. So this magnet's gonna be right there. You can take it from there, you take the 3M tape, and then just to make sure we are in the right spot over there, you stick it very close to the edge. You see it's gonna get there, and then you just do the same with the others. And to finish up, we just gotta find the last one here, stick right close to the edge, and then you're good to go. That's it. Take it off. And you can put that back in. Just like that.